Alright, so I'm gonna install the mud flaps. I was gonna put the sticker on the plate, but I jacked that up, so that ain't gonna happen. Look, this is before, without the mud guards. Alright, 30. And we'll clean it up. Look like we're a quick installation, and it even came with a QR code with the instructions to be able to watch the YouTube video. All right, what follow? Okay, so I got the first one on. It came with a replacement screw for the bottom and the little pull tab. And there's a little piece right here that you gotta make sure goes behind there. If you can see that. Yep, there we go. So you can see there's with it on. Looks pretty good. And this is before putting the other one on. Alright. So I finished putting the front ones on this one. For some reason I couldn't get the little clip that came with it in. Inside is like a little metal piece OEM from the factory, so but it's still pretty sturdy. Might try it again later on, but overall I like it. All right, so we have all four on. And I'll say they look OEM to me. I will leave a link below to where I got them from. All right, that wraps it up. So just to recap, on the thing I used my, well, it said to use a screwdriver, but I used my drill, which I didn't wind up using it. It was out here for a different project. It said to use a 10mm socket, which I just grabbed my open box, my pry tool, and my Rain-X waterless car wash just to wipe down the area. The instructions was pretty straightforward. Like I said, it had a QR code that if you scanned it, it'll show you a YouTube video. One side was easier than the other when it came to certain things. But overall, it was a simple project. All right, Mike G, bidding you a warm aloha.